Hey guys, Little Star here, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fawkes Flocked version, which is a 2019 San Diego Comic Con, and this is the shared exclusive with Hot Topic. Right, here's a close-up of the box. The side of the box. Here's the back. And there's the other characters of this set. And the other side of the box. Alright guys, let's unbox this. Right guys, here's Fawkes. And I do like the flocking on this pop. Definitely goes for this character. And Fawkes is very bright, the colours, all the reds and the oranges, with the talons sticking out. And all the feathers, very detailed. And the stand is the flames, which is a good idea. So that it looks like he's flying. Definitely a must-have for any Harry Potter fan. Close-up of some of the features. With all the detail. Right guys, that was the Flocked Fawkes, the San Diego Comic Con shared exclusive with Hot Topic from 2019. I hope you enjoy the video.